Hello guys, and welcome back to my daily portfolio update. This is Fernando Herrera, and today we have the markets pretty much opening up pretty good and then slowly giving up their gains. Now, I'll be the first one to say the Nasdaq was high up in there, like around 1.36% return, with no really good news or any major news for the big run. Tesla also did hit its $900 new high week, and now it's only 877. So I do have a feeling that all those gains we got early in the morning, pretty much we're gonna see a decrease or a sellout, because again, there's no big news to kind of back that up, so it could go either way. And now today our biggest movers and losers, we have Beyond Meat obviously gaining some good profit, still with some really good momentum. We bought some of that last week and we've been building on this position. Our price target is 180, so still some room there to grow. Now Ford, one of our favorite stocks today, not having a very good day, however, that still doesn't take away our almost 25% return that we have in this stock so far. So still, if you haven't bought Ford, this is a perfect day to buy Ford at a discount. Now, activity in terms of today, guys, what I'm buying and what I'm selling. I did sell some of CVS, so I sold $58 worth of CVS Pharmacy, and I also bought the same amount. Pretty much I reallocated that money into Wells Fargo. The reason why I'm buying Wells Fargo at this very moment, if you guys recall, last week Wells Fargo reported earnings and there was a bit of a sell-off, and they have not been able to recover from that sell-off. I do feel that that sell-off has reached its limit, and so now it's a good time to increase my position, as I told you guys before. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about that in just a minute, but another stock I do want to point out is Plug. If you guys remember, we bought this stock at a very early stage, and man, we already had 121% return, and it still keeps going up. So definitely considering on locking in some gains on Plug, but I'm definitely a little more long term, and since I already have quite some gain built up in there, we have a bit of some maneuvering that we could obviously use to our advantage. So with that being said, guys, really that's the only thing that we bought or sold today. Like I said, we only bought some of Wells Fargo, which their Snowflake is still looking pretty good. Healthy company, good future. So definitely looking forward to this company overall. Now, something just to keep in mind, guys, is if you haven't sold already, the reason why we sold CVS is really because we thought that they were going to have a bigger role into the COVID-19 vaccine rollout. That hasn't been the case, so I do feel that the CVS might be pulling back just slightly, and this is a good time to just lock in some gains. We didn't sell or exit our position, but just to kind of ensure we get that 24-25% return we already have. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. Be safe.